Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing great. And today I'm going to show you how to edit your photo and add the glow neon effect on your photo and to make it look so cinematic. Alright, let's get straight into it. Give me the intro.
Alright, here we are in Photoshop and we are going to edit this photo and add the glowed neon effect on this. Alright, so first of all we are going to select the subject. How to select the subject? There is a lot of ways to select yourself. You have these tools right here and these tools, but I'm going to click here and to choose object selection tool. Click on it and click here and drag it like that on the whole body and leave it. As you can see, it automatically selected, so there is, I think, some mistakes, so we are going to fix it in this tool right here like that. Click. If you want to minus the selection, click on Alt like that, you will see the minus and do like that. If you want to add, so click here and here for minusing and here for adding like that. As I said, click Alt and do whatever you want to add or to remove. Alright, after you're done selecting, click on the mask here icon, right here, and click and boom, you're all selected. For the hair section, I'm going to fix it and using this tool right here like that, and make the size like so, a little bit more, and do like this. You can make it more bigger and start making this on your hair. Like so. Just like that. Alright, this is better. Alright, I'm going to make a new project pressing Ctrl N and put it in pixels and on like that. And on the settings, the color of course RGB, and the resolution is 300 in inch. Alright, and click on create. Alright, first of all we want to add the background. Alright, first of all we are going to add a background. I'm going to add it is I'm going to add a gradient map on the I'm going to add a gradient layer on it. So I'm going to adjust my layer and the color that I want. Alright, I want it to make it more purple, so I'm going to choose the two colors that I want it to be in, like the darker purple and the lighter purple, like that. A little bit. Alright, and click here and do like this. A little bit more. Once again, I think that's better. I'm going to copy this and paste it on the background. It's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to edit the scale by clicking on Ctrl T to adjust the size, and click here like that and do like this to make it smaller and to fit on your Canva, on your project. Alright, this is better, just like so in the middle. I'm going to make it a little bit like darker by clicking on Ctrl U and lightness, like that, as you can see. And after that I'm going to put on the original photo as a matching color on image, adjustment and match color, and for image like that, and layer 0, and control everything here, fade like that, click OK, and here's the important thing, which is the glowing neon effect. So I'm going to click here and take wherever I want from here. I'm going to select this and do like that. I'm going to make the scale just like so, make smaller, just like that. Alright, and I don't want to fill, so I'm going to click here. I want the stroke only, and I want it like that. Click here to adjust it, and just like that. And the stroke, I want it to be like so. It's a little bit a lot, so I'm going to make it like this. I want the color to be lightning and near to the white, like that, as you can see. And I'm done. I'm going to erase it like this. I'm going to click on my original photo and do like this, selecting my image, and then I'm going to invert my selection using Ctrl+Shift+I. As you can see, I did like this, as you can see, and I'm going to click on this like that and click Ctrl+J. As you can see, Ctrl+D to remove the selection. As you can see, I'm going to make it under and to erase what I want. Click here on the eraser tool, and the eraser tool, and click alright. Click. Select the brush and make the size smaller, and delete what you don't want, and delete. I'm going to make it under my photo and click here and go to the eraser and click like that and click OK, and erase what you want because everything now is behind me, as you can see, just like so. And I'm going to edit the glow of my photo. And now I'm going to add the glow on this shape. Click on here and go to outer glow, and of course select the color like that, more whiter, and put it on screen just like that. And you have to control size and spread just like that. Just like so. And as you can see, there is some mistake in here. We did it, and we just click here, and by clicking Alt and drag and drop on it, as you can see. After that, I'm going to erase what I don't want, like that. Just delete it. And after that, I'm going to remove what I don't want. Just delete it, like that. Alright, I want this to be under me, so I'm going to select on my photo like that on the mask and make a copy of it like that, and make it up this, as you can see, and erase what you don't want from the original photo, just like so. So it won't be allowed on the original photo, just like that. As you can see, if I made like this, everything is okay. So when I am going to allow the outer glow. As you can see, going to select what I want the color to be in, like that. Click OK, and of course it will be screen, and you can control the spread and the size, of course. You control it as you want to see it, if it's good or not good at all. As you can see, this must be under, and this with the same, just like that. And you can erase here, just like so. Erase here too. Erase everything right here. Just like that. And after that, there is something you need to know, which is the glow thing on your original photo, which is your body and your head. So I'm going to select my brush tool, like that, and select the brush where I want it to be. I want brush, this tool, just make it smaller. As you can see, I'm going to select this color, just like that, and click a new layer in here, and select on the mask of your photo, and start adding a glow on your photo, just like that. Few clicks, just like that. On the corner, make it a lot. As you can see, this must be darker, so I'm going to select black, new layer for the black, and make the opacity a little bit and flow, just like that. This must be darker. Alright, just like that, and this must be glowed out here on this layer. Going to edit the opacity and the flow. Just like that. As you can see on my neck, it's too much. My glasses a little bit, just a little bit. On my hair, it won't be a lot. On the top to make it lighter. A little bit like here. It's not what I want the color. Just like that. A little bit more here at the top. As you can see, this is a very beautiful looking photo in the neon glowed effect. You can add a lot of things like this on your body. Just edit the opacity and the flow like that to make it more lighter and to make it more real, as you can see. And the second thing is going to be is behind me. I want to add a glow behind my photo to make it and to put extra realistic behind me, just like that. Right, I'm going to make the glow more darker. Like this. Edit the size and spread. Size also. Just like so. And delete this effect and re-edit on it, just like that. And you can apply any background on your photo. So I'm going to search about a photo and I'm going to be right back. I'm going to apply this photo behind me on my project. So I'm going to drag and drop on it. As you can see, make it on the top of the layer like that, and click on the layer of your color and make and adjust these setting just to see if it's good or bad, if it will be fit or not. I think that is okay. I'm going to merge it by clicking on the two layer and click on Ctrl E to merge them. After that, I'm going to make I'm going to add a blur on the background. I'm going to go to blur and to Gaussian blur. A little bit more. As you can see, I'm going to edit the lightning. Click on Ctrl U, and for the lightness, make it a little bit like that. As you can see, I'm going to double these. Make it like this. Edit the opacity of it. As you can see, I'm going to add more camera raw filter. Go to filter and camera raw filter. And you can adjust the tint, make it with purple as any color you want. Contrast, of course. You can control everything in here. Click OK. And go to this picture and go to filter and camera raw filter to re-add the what you did recently on the filter. As you can see, I'm going to go to the tab and click on Ctrl Alt Shift E to take a picture of what you did and then add a camera raw filter on it for the final result. As you can see, the texture temperature, like that with your color, a little bit like that, more contrast, highlights, we need the highlight here, the shadow, we don't want much shadows, the white, not a little bit like that, of course texture, and charity, and saturation, just like so. You can adjust the curve, color grading, you can control everything. I'm going to make it like this, just like so, the highlights, and I think this is better, and this is everything. Click OK. As you can see, this is before and this is after. Huge difference, man. And this is the end of the video. Hope you like it.
And this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you like it, put the like and subscribe to my channel and click on the ring bell to receive all notifications I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.